Sa latest FIBA World Rankings mga kapatrol, ay ang Japan ang best Asian team, pero merong malaking problema ang Japan kapag makakatapat nila ang gilas. Dahil sa dami ng big man ng gilas at wala nang lalaki pa kay Kai Sotto. At ito ngayon ang problema ng Japan dahil kulang-kulang sila sa mga big man, kaya ang kinuha nilang naturalized player ay isang big man na si Josh Hawkinson. And in this video, ay titingnan natin kung sino ang mas magaling, si Kai Sotto ba o si Josh Hawkinson, ang naturalized player ng Japan. At upang magkaroon tayo ng idea kung gaano kagaling ang dalawang players na to, ay panoorin muna natin ang comparison video ni Kai Sotto vis-a-vis Josh Hawkinson.
Time out.
Driving, gets it up to Hawkinson.
戻ってきたボール中に入っていきます。もう一度合わせる。
Hawkinson up against.
ボールが離れて守りましたカイソット。自分でダンクに持っていくのはユーロステップから。
How about the feed down low?
出ませんよね。なるほど。
Hawkinson.
そのマッチアップ中に通った。
There's the pass.
つないでますね。ゴールしたカイソット。
Kawamura, extra touch, Hawkins.
選手交代はなくカイソット。ここ
6 and this is where you got to just be careful.
Well, parehong undrafted si Kai at Josh at pareho rin silang naglalaro sa Japan B-League. Pareho rin silang hindi pa nakapasok sa NBA. Although mukhang wala ng chance itong si Josh dahil he is already 29 years old. Samantalang ang ating idol na si Kai ay malaki pa ang chance na makakapasok sa NBA dahil 22 years old pa lang siya and yet very experienced na. 3 taon na ang professional player si Kai at ilang beses nang nakapaglaro sa mga FIBA tournaments tulad ng World Cup at Olympic qualifying tournament. Isa ring member ng national team si Josh bilang naturalized player ng Japan and he is a do-it-all player. Napaka-skilled na player na merong tira sa labas pero matindi rin inside the paint. Magaling sa depensa at kahit hindi gaanong kalakihan ang katawan, ay napakalakas naman niya. Compared kay Kai, ay mas mabilis itong player ng Japan, pero mas matangkad naman si Kai, kaya sa palagay ko, mas better player pa rin si Kai. Josh Hawkinson is only 6'10", samantala si Kai Sotto ay legit 7'3". Kaya kapag magtatapat ang dalawang players, ay siguradong pahihirapan ni Kai itong si Hawkinson both offensively and defensively. Kaya excited na ang lahat sa future games ng Gilas versus Japan na kung saan masusubukan kung sino ang mananaig sa dalawang big man ng Asia. At kilalanin nating maigi ating si Joshua Hakon Hawkinson. Ipinanganak siya noong June 23, 1995 at isa siyang American-born Japanese professional basketball player for Sun Rocker Shibuya ng Japan B-League. Naglaro siya ng kanyang college basketball para sa Washington State Cougars kung saan natapos niya ang kanyang karera bilang all-time leader ng paaralan sa rebounds at double-doubles. Nagsimula si Josh ng kanyang professional career sa Japan noong 2017 at kalaunan ay naging Japanese citizen noong 2023. Naglaro siya para sa Japanese national team sa 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup at sa 2024 Olympics. Nagsimula si Josh ng kanyang college career noong 2013 para sa Washington State at naglaro siya ng limited minutes in a supporting role as a freshman. Siya ay nagsilbing backup sa mga upperclassmen na sina Deju Shelton at Jordan Rayleigh. Pagkatapos ng kanyang freshman season, tinanggal si Washington State head coach Ken Bone at pinalitan ito ng bagong head coach na si Ernie Kent. Umunlad si Josh sa ilalim ni Coach Kent sa kanyang sophomore season sa Washington State at ang kanyang minuto kada laro ay tumaas mula 6 hanggang 33 minutes. at siya ay naging second most improved scorer in the nation from 1.2 hanggang 14.7 points bawat laro. At siya ang the most improved rebounder in the country from 1.6 to 10.8 rebounds per game. And Josh would go on to lead the league in rebounding and his 334 total rebounds and 20 double-doubles set single-season Washington State records in both categories. He led the Pac-12 and NCAA in defensive rebounds per game at 8.7 and earned Pac-12 Most Improved Player of the Year and All Pac-12 Honorable Mention honors. At bilang junior, binigyan siya ng responsibility bilang team captain at muli niyang pinangunahan ang liga sa rebounding at double-doubles. Pinabuti niya ang kanyang puntos at rebounds bawat laro and tied his own single-season Washington State record with another 20 double-doubles. He earned All Pac-12 Honorable Mention for the second straight season and he was named a finalist for the Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Center of the Year Award. At sa kanyang senior campaign, pinananatili ni Josh ang kanyang status bilang team captain at pinangunahan ang kanyang kupunan sa pag-sweep ng Washington Huskies sa kauna-unahang pagkataon mula noong 2010 to 11 season. At nakakuha siya ng All Pac-12 second team honors. Napili rin itong si Josh sa second team All District 20 ng NABC at pinangalan ng finalist para sa Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Center of the Year Award sa ikalawang magkasunod na taon. Si Josh ang naging kauna-unahang player ng Washington State na napili bilang Senior Class Award First Team All-American at sinundan ito ng pagkapanalo ng Tom Hansen Conference Medal given to the Pac-12's Most Outstanding Senior Student Athlete. At academically, natapos ni Josh ang kanyang bachelor's degree mula sa Washington State University sa loob ng 3 taon lamang. Nakamit niya ang kanyang degree sa Management Operations noong summer ng 2016 habang kinilala bilang 3 beses na Pac-12 All-Academic Awardee at sa kanyang senior year, natapos ni Josh ang kanyang Masters of Business Administration ng Data Analytics. Nakumpleto ang parehong bachelor's at master's degree sa loob ng 4 na taon at pinangalan ng 2017 Pac-12 Scholar Athlete of the Year. On June 26, 2017, Josh signed his first professional contract with the Toyotsu Fighting Eagles of the Japan B-League, and he played for the Fighting Eagles in the 2017-18, 2018-19, and 2019-20 seasons. At para sa 2020-21 season, Josh joined the Shenzhou Brave Warriors and he continued with the Brave Warriors in the 2021-22 and 2022-23 seasons. And on June 12, 2023, pumirma itong si Josh sa Sun Rockers Shibuya at naging naturalized Japanese citizen siya at naglaro sa kanyang Japanese national team sa 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup at sa 2024 Paris Olympics.